Ever pondered how to make money from Rumble.com? Well, you're not alone. Rumble.com is an innovative platform where creators like you can upload, share, and yes, monetize their videos. It's a space that champions creativity, diversity, and authenticity, and it's rapidly gaining traction in the digital world. Imagine a platform that not only lets you share your unique voice but also rewards you for it. That's Rumble.com. With its growing user base and viewer interest, it's a goldmine of potential for creators. Whether your passion is cooking, gaming, vlogging, or anything in between, Rumble.com is the place for you. And the best part? It's not just about making money, it's about building a community, sharing your passion, and influencing the digital space in your own unique way. So if you're intrigued, stay tuned to learn how you can start earning from Rumble.com. First things first, you need to create an account. Now don't be intimidated. Signing up on Rumble.com is as easy as pie. Navigate to the website and look for the Sign Up button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a sign-up form. Here, you'll need to provide some basic information, your name, email address, and create a password. Keep in mind that it's crucial to provide accurate information. This is because Rumble.com will use these details for all your future transactions, from paying out your earnings to resolving any issues you may encounter. Once you've filled out the form, hit that Create Account button. You'll receive an email to verify your account. Click on the link in the email and voila, your account is set up. Once you've signed up, you're ready to start uploading and monetizing your content. Now that you have an account, it's time to upload your content. Let's dive right into how you can start uploading your videos on Rumble.com. Once you're logged in, you'll notice an upload button at the top of the page. Click on that and you'll be directed to a new page where you can select your video file. You can either drag and drop your video file into the designated area, or click on the Browse button to find it manually from your device. While your video is uploading, you'll have the chance to add important details about it. First off, give your video a catchy title. Make sure it's something that accurately represents what your video is about, but also grabs attention. Next, write a detailed description. This is your chance to explain what's happening in the video, and why people should watch it. Don't forget to include relevant keywords that will help people find your video. Now, let's talk about video requirements and guidelines. Rumble.com accepts a wide range of video formats including MP4, MOV, and AVI, but the recommended format is MP4 for the best quality. The maximum file size you can upload is 100 gigabytes, and the maximum duration is 2 hours. However, most successful videos on Rumble.com are between 1 to 5 minutes long. Remember, short and sweet often does the trick. In terms of content, Rumble.com encourages originality. The platform is all about showcasing unique perspectives and stories. So avoid copyrighted material and focus on creating content that is genuinely yours. This doesn't mean you can't create content in popular categories. Whether it's cooking, travel, tech, or cute pets, there's a place for you on Rumble.com. Once you're happy with all the details you've entered, click on the Publish button. Your video will then undergo a review process before it goes live. This usually takes a few hours, but it can be longer depending on the volume of submissions. Remember, the more engaging and original your content, the better your chances of earning. So get out there, start creating and uploading. We can't wait to see what you'll bring to the Rumble community. You've uploaded your content, now how do you make money from it? In the world of Rumble.com, there are 3 main avenues to monetize your videos. Let's delve into each one of them. First up, we have ad revenue. This is the most common way to earn from your videos online. Just like on other platforms, Rumble displays ads before, during, or after your videos. Every time an ad is viewed or clicked on, you earn a portion of the revenue. The more views your content gets, the more ad revenue you stand to make. Next up is video licensing. This is where Rumble truly shines. When you upload a video to Rumble, you have the option to license it to Rumble's network of partners. These partners, which include heavyweights like Yahoo and MSN, can then use your video content on their platforms. You earn a share of the revenue generated from these partnerships. This method can be particularly profitable if you have high-quality, unique content that catches the attention of these big players. Lastly, we have video challenges. Rumble regularly hosts video challenges where creators compete for a cash prize. The winner is usually determined by a combination of factors such as views, likes, and comments. These challenges can be a fun and exciting way to earn some extra cash, especially if you have a knack for creating engaging content that resonates with the Rumble community. Now you might be wondering, which method should you choose? Well, the answer to that largely depends on your content and your strategy. If you're consistently pulling in high views, ad revenue might be your golden goose. If your content is unique and high quality, video licensing could bring in the big bucks. And if you love a little competition, why not try your hand at video challenges? Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach here. You might even find that a combination of these methods works best for you. Experiment, analyze, and tweak your strategy as needed. Choose the right monetization method that aligns with your content strategy to maximize your earnings. Uploading and monetizing aren't enough, you need to promote your content. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of promoting your content. You see, creating engaging videos is just half the battle. The other half lies in getting your content in front of the right audience, but how do you do that? Well, the first thing you need to consider is social media. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn are teeming with potential viewers. You can share your videos on these platforms, engage with your followers, and even run targeted ads to reach a wider audience. Remember, the more people who see your content, the higher your chances of getting more views and earnings on rumble.com. Next up is search engine optimization, or SEO, as it's commonly known. SEO involves tweaking your video titles, descriptions, and tags to make them more searchable. Use keywords that are relevant to your video, and likely to be used in search queries. This can significantly increase the visibility of your videos on search engines, leading to more views and ultimately, more earnings. Another way to promote your content is through collaborations. Partner with other content creators or influencers who share a similar audience. This way, you can tap into their follower base and direct them to your rumble.com videos. It's a win-win situation for both parties. You could also consider paid promotions. While this might require a bit of investment, it can pay off in the long run. Sponsored posts or ads on popular websites or blogs can help drive a significant amount of traffic to your videos. Last but not least, don't forget to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage your viewers to share your videos. This not only helps in building a loyal fan base, but also increases the chances of your videos being shared, thereby reaching more people. In short, promotion involves a mix of social media marketing, SEO, collaborations, paid promotions, and audience engagement. It's not a one-size-fits-all strategy, so feel free to experiment and see what works best for you. Promotion is key to increasing your visibility and potential earnings on rumble.com. After all the hard work, it's time to track your earnings. So, how do you keep tabs on your growing wealth on rumble.com? It's quite straightforward. Go to your account dashboard, and there you'll find the Earnings tab. Click on it and voila! You'll see a detailed report of your earnings, neatly categorized by dates, video titles, and the revenue generated from each. This is a fantastic way to pinpoint which of your videos are performing the best. Now let's talk about getting your hands on your hard-earned money. Rumble.com offers various withdrawal methods, including PayPal and direct deposit. Choose the one that suits you best. Remember, payments are processed on a monthly basis, so plan your withdrawals accordingly. Keeping a close eye on your earnings will not only give you a sense of accomplishment, but also provide valuable insights. Keep track of your earnings to understand what works best for your content and adjust your strategy accordingly. So, we've covered quite a bit about making money on rumble.com. Let's take a moment to recap and consolidate our knowledge. First up, signing up. It's as simple as creating an account. No fuss, no frills. Then, we moved on to uploading content. Remember, quality and consistency are your best friends here. Next, we talked about the all-important step of monetizing your videos. It's about leveraging Rumble's monetization options to your advantage, making sure your hard work pays off. But it doesn't stop there. Promoting your content is equally crucial. Sharing, engaging, and making your content visible is key to driving views and consequently, revenue. Finally, we discussed tracking your earnings. Keeping a close eye on your performance can help you adapt and grow. With these steps, you're well on your way to making money on rumble.com. Good luck and happy rumbling.